Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Abiyasa Saktiniagara, student number 012. Today I would like to explain about experimental research and protocol. Understanding about experimental research is very difficult for most people because the tasks required very strict control. In addition, this research is usually based on ecological validity, which is the main reason for qualitative research. For example, let's give two versions of the story to the same group. Then, we conducted our research by asking them questions such as, what do you think about point of view in the text? Is easy to understand? Or what effect does vocabulary simplification have on your understanding? Of course, the answer of the group cannot be the same. Why is that? Because they have seen and read version 1, which will likely impact the way they read version 2. And then example of experimental research. According to Hafiz and Tudor, readers are assessed as an input medium in learning. Not only that, they also presented examples from the research survey. In that study, they studied foreign language, English, students in Pakistan who proved to have made significant and relative progress in fluency and accuracy of expression after an extensive 19-hour reading program using multi-level readers. The research aimed to discover the benefit of extensive reading. The method used in this study was a comparison, and the result of this study were that students from rural areas were able to show increased reading fluency and accuracy because they were encouraged to read a lot of the text that interests them personally. And then protocols. The methodology used in this research is direct and indirect methods. As suggested in the quote from Alderson, protocols can be a useful way of identifying sections or features of the text that are being read by different individuals. A specific issue that researchers should make clear regarding second language learning is where the protocol will be implemented and whether a second language analysis will be needed to code and interpret the data. The principles in this research have 6 points. There are intervention timing between mental surgery and reports, verbalization. Verbal reporting of mental process should avoid social conventions. There is a lot of information in retrospective reports apart from the self-talk, and there may be no verbal report of the automated process. Last is, research should be based on model of mental process that allow prediction of how mental operation will be organized under various conditions. Research in the use and learning of second language use a cognitive-oriented strategy protocol. Therefore, Hausenfeld over a list of classic behaviors still used to encode protocol collected from second language reader subject in his team. Such list offer the opportunity to work with individuals and to see if individual behavior is more broadly shared among all the readers under investigation, which the work will be quantitatively useful for. I think it's enough. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.